Hello and welcome to Next Trains. This box of my kit bashed ICF Rajdhani coaches. So this is the luggage brake generator car. So I've kept it in this box for now. And these are the versions which had the black ends rather than the saffron ends or red ends. This is the AC 3 tire. This is the C2 tire. It's not complete, but I have the wheel sets kept separately. And same as with this is the 1980s type generator car, the older type generator cars. And if I take this off, so I'm left with one more coach, that is the pantry car or the pantry coach. I've just lined this coaches up in their configuration that I usually prefer. So this is the configuration that I usually like. So first is the old type generator car, and then I have the AC2 tire, and then I keep the pantry car, then AC3 tire, and then the another generator car. So this generator car is the Western Railways 3-window version. So that's it for now. So running sessions of this trains will be there in a separate video. So go to the channel, and I will give some of the links of the other videos in description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Next Trains, and share the joy of model trains.